What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi, and I'm back with another video. Why did I do that? Hey guys, so today we're going to be working with this company, Eullairhair. This box was so cute, and it came with just your regular wig cap, and it also came with a beauty blender. But when the hair came, I was using the beauty blender like I cannot beauty blender, like that's a tongue twister to me. I don't know why. This hair is a 20-inch wig, and I will give you guys all of the information and stuff during the video. I'm not going to talk so much about the hair now. We're going to get straight into the install, and I will come back to you guys with my final review.
Okay, you guys, so yes, you see my nails video coming soon, but this is a 22-inch chestnut brown wig. It was already pre-colored, so I didn't do any of this coloring. It all came that way. And so yeah, so now we are putting on our wigs. If y'all see me talking, I was on the phone, but you know, yeah, like nobody wants to hear my conversation, so I just muted it. But now I'm cutting off the lace, and when I was doing this wig, I kind of used some steps that I normally don't use. This was actually one of my fastest installs because I was shook, because I'm like, okay, like I didn't even do my wrap strips or nothing with this install. So you guys are just going to see. So now what I'm doing is spreading my hair glue, and I use the Bold Hold hair glue on this install that I did today. I know sometimes I normally be doing glueless, but today I just decided to do glue. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys the full process of me doing the glue, so you guys can see like how long I wait before I put on my second layer. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how long I wait, and I did 3 layers for this install. So yeah, you guys are gonna see me lay the hair down once everything is dry, and I'll probably come back in a couple seconds. Okay, so now what I'm doing is laying my lace down, and you guys, I was not expecting for this hair to be so full. I believe the hair is 150 density, but around the hairline, like I thought I plucked enough, but it was still pretty thick around the hairline. But as you guys are gonna see during the video, I did try my best to like slick it down, and I really didn't do that much plucking to the hair. So you guys are going to see how I kind of finessed it, you guys. But now I am putting my elastic band on and blow drying my hair. I didn't blow dry it for long. That's exactly how long I blow dried it. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay my hair down a little bit more with my hot comb, because I did tell you guys that the hair was like really full, like around the hairline. So I was trying my best to try to like slick it down a little bit, you guys. I don't know why. This day I was like dreading doing my hair, so like this was kind of like a get it over with, but you know, I still put my effort into it. So now I'm cutting off the lace, you guys. And y'all, I was just, at first I was getting kind of scared because of how thick the hair was, and I was like, dang, I didn't pluck enough. But you know, we came out good in the end. But so now I am just adding the glue to like some little parts that I missed, because I didn't section off and put glue. I just put like a whole strip of glue and then put my lace down. So you guys know in my other videos, sometimes I like cut my lace and then do it by sections, but I didn't do it this time. I should have though, I really should have, but you know, you gotta make things work. So as you can see, like around my like middle of my hair, it was like, you know how you get them little like bubbles in your lace? Like this hasn't happened to me in a while, but this happened to me in this video. But you guys are going to see how I kind of like laid it down so you guys cannot see them bubbles. So if you guys see bubbles on your lace, you guys just try to lay it down the best way you can and they will fade away. So now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get as close as my lace as I can and getting off all that excess lace. And now I'm going to start laying my hair. As you can see, I did do my parting for it. I did want to do a different style for this hair, but I am kind of glad I did the side part because it came out super cute. So I'm just trying to lay this hair down as much as I can. And yeah, you guys are going to see me do my baby hairs, and then I'm going to come back because I feel like I'm really talking a lot, y'all. Like I'm talking a lot. Like, we already at the baby hairs. Let me go sit down somewhere. Okay, so I know I said I was going to sit down somewhere, but like, I'm back. So what I'm doing with my baby hairs, y'all, I was trying to figure out how I wanted them, but I was kind of scared that it was going to blend in with my skin because this hair is so brown. But it really worked out. So you guys are just going to see me separating them, and then I'm going to do my usual when I spray my hairspray and then lay the edges down and then go back and start styling them. So right here, I'm just really plucking my part. Like, I'm really trying to pluck the part because this hair was super full, and I know with some hair normally you could be able to just do a part and you won't even have to pluck that much. Just how you know this hair is super duper full. I had to really like try to pluck my part, and I didn't even want to add makeup because of the color of the hair. So yeah, I just used my wax stick and I am laying down my hair, like I said, as much as I could. And I did have to section off my hair at the top. I just did 2 sections, one under and then the one on the top, and I put some of my wax stick on there, and then I am going over that with the hot comb. Okay, you guys, so today I just used Gorilla Snot for my edges because the foam just wasn't cutting it for me today, and it wasn't giving me the look that I wanted. So I went ahead and used my Gorilla Snot to form my edges, and then I am going to come back with you guys when we are starting to style my hair. Okay guys, so I just took my wrap off to start curling my hair because I really don't like curling my hair when my wrap is on. So I did allow it to dry before I did start curling. I'm using my 1-inch Conair curling iron. I got this from Walmart. It's very cheap and you can go and purchase it. They have it in all sizes and it's very easy to find. So one trick that I do to keep my curls and get cute curls really quick, I go over my hair, and as soon as I'm done, I go over with the flexi rods, and I actually did leave these in overnight So you guys are going to see me the next morning taking them out and, you know, styling their hair. And this really did come out cute. I always do this when I'm like in a rush and I want my curls to be cute at a short amount of time. So this is really something that I've always done. I've always did this in high school, being that I was a dancer and things like that. This was a very easy style to do when I had games and stuff and I had to like get ready quick. So for the top of my hair, so I can get that swoop effect, I didn't put a flexi rod on there. I just did a pin curl, and then after I do my pin curls, you guys are going to see me spraying my hair with my Chi Flex spray, and that's just going to give me my hold overnight that I want. So yeah, you guys can see it's the next morning and I'm taking these curls out. You want to make sure you take your flexi rods out very nicely. Like, don't take them out all rough or else you're not going to get the look that you want. But yeah, I'm just going through this super fast because like I'm just taking out flexi rods. But these did come out pretty cute, and the lace did lay overnight. And like those bubbles are gone, as you guys can see. Yeah, I was singing a song, y'all. I had my music on in the morning, and I had just did my eyebrows and everything. Like, I arched my eyebrows and stuff, so you know, eyebrows looking freaky. But you guys, I was so super surprised that the hair just formed and I didn't have to really go over my hair with the curls or nothing. But yeah, these curls came out super duper cute. I didn't layer the hair or anything like that. I just curled the hair and put the flexi rods in. But I'm just spraying my hair with hairspray so it can stay, and then doing some extra little things to it, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys with my review.
Okay, you guys, so I really wasn't expecting for this hair to like actually form the right way right out of my flex rod. So normally I would have to like go back and curl it. Everything formed the right way. I didn't have to bleach the knots on this hair because I was kind of scared to bleach the knots because I didn't know if the hair was gonna like bleach too much because this hair is already light as it is. But this hair was very good to work with. It was minimal shedding. The shipping was pretty quick, like 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 shipping days. The hair was very soft. When I curled the hair, I used hairspray to keep the curls and hold them, but I didn't use any bio stick or anything because the hair was already very silky. So I was very pleased with that, and the hair curled really cute, as you guys can see. This giving me like a little, I don't know what type of vibes it's giving me, but it's giving me a cute little vibe. Yeah, I really like this color. It's very cute. So all links for this hair will be down below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos.